Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I'm really excited to welcome you all to the 9th episode of our 2021 Business Awareness Series, जिसमें हम लोग कई सारे important MCQs डिस्कस करने वाले हैं related to the world of business, economy, finance, banking and a lot of other industries. Alright, so I request you कि आप वीडियो को प्लीज़ एंड तक देखिए because ये सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है. Alright, so with that let's start our session. The first question for today: which of the following digital payments app started first Indian digital payment interactive geospatial platform? Friends, I'll tell you what this platform is. First, the correct answer is B, PhonePe. So PhonePe has started this new platform called PhonePe Pulse. It is first interactive website where you can find data, insights, trends related to digital payments in India. So it will tell you like from where the payments are going to where, and like it will tell you all the demographic related data and insights, and these rich data sets along with insightful trend and stories can be used by their partners, PhonePe partners, to understand consumer and merchant behavior across these payments and identify new opportunities फॉर ग्रोथ. कैसे डेटा सेट से इंसाइट्स निकाली जा सकती है और नई बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज को फाइंड कर सकते हैं थ्रू दिस जियो स्पेशल प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड फोनपे पल्स. ओके, next, who among the following is the first ever woman to lead Adobe India? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Pratibha Mohapatra. You can see Pratibha in the photograph, and she is now the vice president and managing director of Adobe India, and she is going to be overseeing the three important business units of Adobe: Experience Cloud, Creative Cloud and Document Cloud. Okay, so please do keep it in mind. Next, name the Indian investment startup which has tied up with Amazon Pay India to provide its wealth management services to the users of Amazon Pay. Now friends, कौन सा ऐसा स्टार्टअप है जिसने Amazon Pay से लिंक किया है ताकि Amazon Pay के यूजर्स को वो वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर सकें? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Kuvera. So to begin with, the investments will be around mutual funds and fixed deposits in the beginning. Another such important point related to Paytm Money. So this is a platform developed by Paytm, wealth management platform, and it is again it has partnered with another investment tech startup very similar to Kuvera, which is Wealth Desk, and it will also provide investment portfolios which will be called Wealth Basket. So आप इन दोनों चीज़ों को याद रखिए. Amazon is linked with Kuvera and Paytm Money is linked with Wealth Desk. All right, which has set up the world's first water from air. Very interesting, guys. Water from air bottling water plant in Hyderabad. Friends, here the correct answer is C, Maitri Aquatech. ये लोग they have developed a technology that can generate or produce water from air. So this plant is having the capacity to generate 2.5 million liters of water per year, and they can bottle 3.4 million bottles per year. So that's a really interesting startup. You should read more about it, guys. Next, which of these became the first payments bank in India to provide FASTag based metro parking facility in Delhi Metro? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Paytm Payments Bank. Friends, अगर आपको फास्टैग नहीं पता है तो प्लीज डू सर्च अबाउट इट. इन अ वेरी क्रूड टर्म, दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टिकर, डिजिटल स्टिकर. इफ यू स्टिक ऑन योर vehicles front mirror, it can automatically deduct money for parking or for passing toll automatically from your bank account or from your mobile wallet. Okay, and Paytm will now offer this facility to offer all like FASTag based transaction for cars having a valid FASTag sticker, which eliminates the need to stop and pay cash at the counter. So counter पे आपको जाके pay नहीं करना, you don't need to stop. It can be scanned directly, and while you are going through the scanner, it will deduct the money. Okay. Next, ICICI Bank has partnered with which of these fuel companies to allow its customer to use ICICI Bank FASTag to pay for the fuel at the retail outlet? Now friends, another very important question related to FASTag. यहाँ पर they have introduced the use of FASTag at a very unique place. Now, if you go to a fuel station, you just have to pass through it, and you don't need to physically transact the cash or note, and your money can be deducted from the FASTag directly if you are on a HPCL petrol pump and you have a ICICI bank linked FASTag. All right, So this will be for commercial vehicles users, and they will enjoy the convenience of having one tag for fuel, toll and parking payments. आप पार्क भी कर सकते हैं, फ्यूल भी पे कर सकते हैं और टोल के लिए भी पे कर सकते हैं. Alright. Next, name India's first steel company which recently commissioned carbon capture plant that extracts CO2 directly from blast furnace gas. Very important guys. Now friends, अगर आप किसी स्टील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट में रहते हैं, आपको उसके बारे में पता है, या आप किसी और मेटल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट में रहे हैं, so these plants they generate lots of harmful gases during the production of the metal. Now what Tata Steel has done, they have made a carbon capture plant which can extract the CO2 from these fumes from blast furnace where metal is actually produced, and which can help toward a sustainable manufacturing. So here the correct answer is A, Tata Steel. Now the 5 tons per day carbon plant is in Jamshedpur presently, and it is the first steel company in India to have this carbon capture technology which extract carbon dioxide directly from the outgoing gases. Next, SBI Card has recently partnered with which of the following fuel companies to offer a co-branded RuPay credit card? Now friends, यहाँ पर SBI ने किसके साथ लिंक किया है? It is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. So here the card will provide various rewards and benefits. If you pay on the petrol pump or anywhere else, you're going to get a huge savings on other categories of spends, which includes groceries, dining, movies, etc. So a normal credit card with various benefits. Next, as per Dubai government statement, India has emerged as Dubai's dash biggest trading partner. So we need to tell the position. So here the correct answer is second. India has emerged as the second largest trading partner with Dubai, and हमसे पहले कौन है? Only China is before us, and we have been touching a volume of 38.5 billion dirham in the first half of 2021, and 1 dirham is almost around 20 rupees. So dirham is a stronger currency. I hope this is clear. We'll move forward. The government of India in September 2021 borrowed rupees dash from RBI for the second half of financial year 2022 to revive the Indian economy from COVID-19's impact. तो कितने रुपए भारत सरकार ने RBI से उधार लिए हैं? Here the correct answer is A, 5 lakh crore rupees. Why? Because so they have consulted with RBI and decided to borrow this money to fund the revenue gap which has occurred during the pandemic. पैंडमिक में लॉकडाउन रहा, कई जगहों से सरकार को रेवेन्यू कम मिला है, उस डेफिसिट को कम करने के लिए आरबीआई से पैसा बोरो किया गया है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज इंडियाज जीडीपी ग्रोथ रेट प्रोजेक्टेड बाय S&P ग्लोबल रेटिंग्स फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2022 एज ऑफ सितंबर 21. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये जो रेटिंग्स होती हैं या जो परसेंटेजेस होते हैं ग्रोथ के, वो वेरी करते रहते हैं बिकॉज दे आर फ्यूचर फोरकास्ट. सो अगर हम सितंबर 2021 जो मोस्ट रिसेंट है उसकी बात करें, सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, 9.5%. दिस इज द रेटिंग बाय S&P. सो अगर हम बात करें तो दिस हैज़ बीन फॉर इंडिया एट 9.5 एंड फॉर चाइना इट हैज़ बीन कट टू 8% फॉर 2021. अब अगर OECD का हम एस्टिमेट देखें तो इट इज़ 9.7% फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2022 एंड एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक का देखें तो इट इज़ 10%. सो ऑलमोस्ट इट सीम्स लाइक ऑल ऑफ देम एग्री दैट इट विल बी अराउंड 9.5 to 10%. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of these banks has partnered with Amazon India to provide overdraft OD facility up to 25 lakhs to the individual sellers and small businesses who sell on Amazon India? Now friends, overdraft facility क्या होती है हम उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे आगे. यहाँ पर सही आंसर जो है वो है A, ICICI बैंक. Now friends, OD facility होती क्या है? So OD is basically a facility given to a current account. So current accounts are those which are of business account. जो किसी कंपनीज अपने सेविंग्स अकाउंट नहीं खुलवाती हैं, वो करंट अकाउंट खुलवाते हैं. वहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट नहीं मिलता है एंड इट इज़ लाइक अ company owned account, okay, not an individual account. So it allows you to withdraw from their account even though the balance is zero. अगर आपका बैलेंस जीरो भी है तब भी आप कुछ लिमिटेड पैसा निकाल सकते हैं अपने अकाउंट से, बट यू विल हैव टू पे अ इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट. ओके, सो जो सेलर्स होते हैं दे आर लाइक मोस्टली दे आर स्मॉल सेलर्स, और उनको ओडी की फैसिलिटीज ज़रूर दे नीड ओडी फैसिलिटी एट मैनी टाइम्स, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई ICICI बैंक के जो अगर एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर्स हैं एंड यू आर सेलिंग ऑन Amazon, देन यू कैन अवेल दिस फैसिलिटी। और अगर आप किसी दूसरी बैंक में भी आपका करंट अकाउंट है, सो यू कैन ईजिली ओपन योर बैंक अकाउंट इन ICICI बैंक एंड अवेल दिस OD फैसिलिटी अप टू 25 lakhs. Next, which bank has launched a festive campaign called Use Befikar in partnership with MasterCard to offer rewards and offers to the cardholder? अब ये जो कार्ड होने वाला है उसके लिए उन्होंने कैंपेनिंग शुरू की है, यूज बेफिकर। सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, RBL बैंक। नथिंग मच हियर, सो आई विल मूव फॉरवर्ड। Which of the following EdTech startup has acquired 100% stake in US-based K-12 coding platform Tinker? Now friends, very important mergers and acquisition related question. यहाँ पर किस भारत के एडटेक स्टार्टअप ने यूएस के एक स्टार्टअप को, कोडिंग स्टार्टअप टिंकर को खरीद लिया है? Now K-12 here means from kindergarten to 12th class the students are learning coding on this platform Tinker, which has been now acquired by Byju's. So we all know the biggest shark in this ocean is Byju. So the deal amount is actually disclosed, but from some sources, news sources, I have found out that this deal was close to $200 million. Another important thing related to Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog has partnered with Byju recently in order to provide free access to education to students in 112 एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इन इंडिया। सो जो भी एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स सरकार ने निर्धारित किए हैं वहाँ पर बायजूस का फ्री एजुकेशनल कैंपेन या फ्री एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है बायजू। सो ये दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें आप याद रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट, which of these companies launched a first of its kind loan against mutual fund scheme to offer instant loans against the mutual fund that you have? So आप अपना म्यूचुअल फंड बैंक को या जो कंपनी है उसको गिरवी रखेंगे एंड यू विल गेट अ लोन ऑन दैट। आपको एज अ कोलैटरल देना पड़ेगा आपका म्यूचुअल फंड। ऑलराइट फ्रेंड्स, सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, टाटा कैपिटल। टाटा कैपिटल ने ये स्कीम निकाली है। सो दे हैव अनाउंस दिस स्कीम कॉल्ड LAMF, लोन अगेंस्ट म्यूचुअल फंड, जिसमें आप आराम से लोन ले सकते हैं फ्रॉम 5 लाख to 2 crores डिपेंडिंग ऑन द mutual fund savings or mutual fund investment that you name. The e-commerce giant which launched Kisan Store for doorstep delivery of agriculture product to farmers. Friends, another easy question here. The correct answer is C, Amazon. अब किसान यानी कि फार्मर्स दे कैन ईजिली बाय वेरियस फार्म प्रोड्यूस लाइक सीड्स, फार्म एक्सेसरीज, प्लांट प्रोटेक्शन एंड न्यूट्रिशन एटसेट्रा फ्रॉम Amazon, and all these will be delivered to their doorsteps. All right, great initiative, I would say. Next, which of these became the first private company to sign a memorandum of understanding with the Department of Space for accessing facilities at various ISRO centers across India? So कौन सी पहली प्राइवेट कंपनी है जो इसरो के फैसिलिटीज़ को एक्सेस कर सकती है in order to launch their own satellites or get try to develop their own satellites, right? Here the correct answer is B, Skyroot Aerospace. और फ्रेंड्स, ये बाकी भी सारे भारत के ही स्टार्टअप्स हैं, प्राइवेट कंपनीज हैं स्पेस सेक्टर में। Skyroot and Bellatrix are really very famous. So they will use or access facilities and expertise toward development and testing of subsystems of space launch vehicles. Next, so friends, now we are on the assignment part of this video. आप मुझे इन तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर ज़रूर बताइएगा। First is related to banks. So मुझे बताइए which bank has collaborated with IISc, that is Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, to set up a artificial intelligence and machine learning center in the campus. So please tell me the answer. Next, name the company that appointed Jim Lanzone as the CEO of Tinder, like former CEO of Tinder, as its new Chief Executive Officer or CEO. Last, name the company which acquired online exam preparation platform GradeUp. वैसे ये बहुत ईजी है, हमने अभी एक प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में डिस्कस किया है, वही इसका आंसर है। Alright friends, so please tell me the answer in the comments. So friends, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope the video has helped you और आपने कई सारी important business awareness की चीज़ें आज पढ़ी हैं. So please keep revising them. And if you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on verbal ability, current affairs, business awareness, etc. And please visit novation.in. Here you can find the free PDFs of these lectures. And अगर आपको नोवेशन का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है सो आप डोनेट बटन पे जाके नोवेशन को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. So friends, with that I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.